What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll take a look at Bitcoin, we'll take a look at the fundamentals. Right now the dollar strength index is moving quite a bit, so that has an effect on Bitcoin, but I would argue that it's actually a positive, a bullish effect, or at least the way Bitcoin is reacting to the dollar strength index falling I think is bullish, so we'll talk about that. But just in general, we're going to do a full overview of Bitcoin mainly, and with that also a little bit of the crypto market. That's usually I think Bitcoin is a great representation of that. Alright, so let's get right into it. Before we start with Bitcoin, if you want to receive daily trading signals in my signal group, check out the links in the description. There you'll find instructions on how to join. And also we just this morning hit 2 take profits. You can see trade results as well in Discord, so check that out. Alright, now on to Bitcoin. So yesterday, very bullish again, broke above 27,500. We confirmed that in the morning already, and then we got a huge move. I mean, well, not huge, but quite a big move, quite a volatile move, all the way up to our previous resistance, around 28,800. We're getting more familiar with these levels, and right now what we saw this morning, or it actually started already. It actually started already yesterday, but yesterday we were still bullish when the dollar strength index went up, even though usually it's negatively correlated. So if the dollar strength index goes down, Bitcoin goes up. Now the dollar strength index also had a breakout above 102.5, but there's major resistance levels soon here around 103, but also a little bit higher around 103.35. So altogether, I think for Bitcoin, if you kind of line them up, you can see for Bitcoin we have support right now at 28,000. We have support at 27,500. So there's nothing to worry about yet. Now in these markets, I think most of you know, they're very volatile, they're very unpredictable. A lot can happen in a very short period of time. But I would say at this point of time for Bitcoin, the most likely scenario still is that we will break above our main resistance, which I would say is about 28,700. I know we got above that, but we never broke above that. And usually for Bitcoin, those 700 levels are fairly strong. You can look that up. But for now, the most likely scenario still is that we'll break above that, find some resistance at 29,500, but eventually get up to 30,000. It looks to me, it depends on what the dollar strength index will do. If the dollar strength index will go up to 103.35, Bitcoin will probably drop down to 27,500, but I do think that will hold. Weekends are usually bullish for Bitcoin as well, or at least since 2023, we've seen at a lot of weekends we get a lot of bullish momentum with Bitcoin. So yeah, I think there's a fair chance, and most of you know that I'm always realistic. I think there's a fair chance that we'll get to 30,000 this weekend. If for some reason though we drop down below 27,500, for me that's really the magic level. If we drop down below that, then we are in some trouble, because then we have to hold 27,000, and I don't trust 27,000 the way I trust 27,500. Plus, it would also be a massive indication that we break down below 27,500. Alright, so that's the one thing you should kind of be wary for, but for now, as I said, I do not expect that. It's just that the market is weird nowadays, so it could happen. If that happens, you should know what the implications are. But for now, this is my take on Bitcoin for today. So if you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care, enjoy your day, and bye.